Ever wondered why airplane mode exists? Will your phone really mess with a plane? I'm an aerospace engineer, and airplane mode isn't about preventing planes from falling out of the sky, but it does have a purpose. The history dates back to the 1950s when early reports suggested that radio signals from electronic devices could interfere with a plane's navigation system. While no catastrophic crashes were ever linked to it, there were enough minor disruptions for regulators to enforce strict rules. Today, modern aircraft are much better shielded, and interference from phones is unlikely to cause serious problems. But during takeoff and landing, the most critical phases of flight, pilots need precise, uninterrupted communication with air traffic control. Having hundreds of phones searching for a signal at once could create unwanted radio noise. And here's a real issue. At high altitudes, your phone struggles to connect to distant towers and sends out stronger signals to compensate. Multiply that by hundreds of passengers and it can jam networks on the ground. So no, your phone won't crash the plane, but airplane mode keeps pilots' comms clear, prevents network overload, and even saves battery life.